Hi, welcome to SmartPLS. Let's take a look at the SmartPLS 3 software application and the new HTMT criterion to assess discriminant validity. For this purpose, we use the corporate reputation model example. This model has three latent variables with reflective measurement models, namely customer loyalty, competence, and likability. For these three constructs, we would like to know if discriminant validity has been established. Therefore, we run the PLS algorithm. Just click on PLS algorithm in the toolbar, and a dialog opens that requires some settings. You can use the default settings and just press the Start Calculation button. With a blink of an eye, the algorithm converges and the results report automatically opens. When you take a look at the results report, you can go to the column Quality Criteria, and there is a hyperlink Discriminant Validity. After pressing this hyperlink, the results for the discriminant validity assessment open. The first report includes the Fornell-Larcker criterion results. Then you find the table for the cross-loadings, and finally you get to the results for the new HTMT criterion. We find that the maximum HTMT value is 0.68, and this is nicely below 0.85, which is the most conservative critical HTMT value. Therefore, we conclude that discriminant validity has been established. In addition, we would like to check the HTMT inference criterion. Therefore, we need to run the bootstrapping routine. We go back to the model, and then we find in the toolbar the More button. When clicking on More, we get a list of additional algorithms that we can run in SmartPLS 3. We would like to run the bootstrapping routine. Again, we can rely on the default settings. However, there is an important change that we must make. The initial setting is on basic bootstrapping, which is very fast since we only compute a limited number of bootstrapping results. However, to get the HTMT results, we need to check complete bootstrapping. HTMT is only included in the complete bootstrapping results. After making this change, we click on the Start button and bootstrapping starts running. After a little while, we reach the 500 samples which we selected for this bootstrapping routine, and the default report opens. In the results report, we now have the column Quality Criteria again, but now for the bootstrapping results. When we click on the hyperlink Heterotrait-monotrait ratio HTMT, we get the results of the HTMT inference criterion. In the first results table are the bootstrapping results, then the confidence intervals, and the bias-corrected confidence intervals. We take a look at the confidence intervals, and we find that the upper confidence interval limit is nicely below the 1 value, and thereby we find that the HTMT inference criterion indicates that all HTMT values are significantly different from 1. Therefore, discriminant validity has been established. As a result, we find that the HTMT 0.85 and HTMT 0.9 criteria indicate discriminant validity between competence and customer loyalty, likability and customer loyalty, and competence and likability. The same finding holds for the HTMT inference criterion, which has been established by running the bootstrapping routine. Therefore, in conclusion, we find that discriminant validity has been established for the corporate reputation model example. Enjoy using SmartPLS.